Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. These new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and we do unlimited stock on all sticker items, not all sticker foil items because those are not made in-house, for 48 hours. And this is going to be on special, the Wiggle, for $10 until Friday at noon Eastern as well. So definitely take advantage of that unlimited sale time. I do remind you guys on Instagram about all of that, but I do have 4 collections this week, 3 of them being fully exclusive, and then this one has an exclusive scene, which is kind of a cool addition to the artwork. But let's go ahead and look at this week's Wiggle first. So this is another one of the matte solid Wiggles. I've been I don't know if you guys could tell, doing kind of themes for a couple of weeks. I did all the black ones, and before that I had some really cool sparkly clear paper ones. So this one is a rose gold one, and these are super popular. I feel like they're really easy to pull in to a lot of spreads because they are just white and they are on that premium matte paper. So you do have your bow headers, your date covers, your flags and bows, your icons, which are really great, and then you have your bottom washi as well, which is another good one just to have on hand because white matches everything. So this is going to be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. It is on special from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern for $10, and then it goes up to the normal price, which is, I believe, $15.95. I'm not totally sure, somewhere around there. So then let's go into the foil items for this week. So they are all heart themed, like Valentine's Day heart themed. So we do have some full box overlays with hearts, super cute little cluster hearts. Love these. They'll match the heart deco and the mini heart deco that's in shop. And then you also have the header overlays, which are like the cluster heart header overlays as well. Love these. And then last but not least, we do have another mini bucket list. We came out with New Year's Eve last week, as well as New Year's Eve and another holiday. Was it Hanukkah? Was it Hanukkah? Probably, I think it was Hanukkah. So this one is the Valentine's Day one. So this one says, make Valentine's, watch romantic movies, make heart-shaped treats, have a date day, pass out Valentine's, and eat chocolate. I feel like half of those could be used, or more than half could be used for non-Valentine's Day as well. So all of those foil items will be available in all 4 foils, of course. Then let's go ahead and get into the kits. I'll go ahead and show you guys the non-exclusive kit first, and this one is called Anna. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the art here. So this is the full boxes. They are so pretty. I feel like this could be a Christmas kit if you wanted something really non-traditional, but whenever I was looking at it and putting it all together, I was kind of thinking of a winter where you're kind of finishing up Christmas stuff, or maybe even November, if you have a spot open November you want to fill, or if you want to save it for next year, that's also an option as well. But I do have a custom scene in here that I had one of my artists draw just to kind of pull everything together, because actually a lot of these are mini icons. They weren't even in an art set. And then I pulled in this girl from a kit that came out I think 2 years ago, and then this is from Blushing Comfort along with these pillows, and then this one is from I think Noelle from last year. So I pulled a bunch of different stuff in and recolored them, and I think it looks really cute, and I just love this scene because I just feel like it really kind of pulls it all together. It gives it a nice wintry feel. There's nothing Christmassy in that part. I feel like the Christmassy part might be the present and then these, but everything else just kind of reads winter. So that is the front page. You do have a really nice kind of warmer gold sparkle throughout. You have your deco page, which is super cute. Your extra box over here is the little letter writing, so you could totally, if you wanted to switch out one of the gifts. This also be a pretty winter birthday kit. Wanted to switch it out, you have that box as well. Oops, cursing, gave me 2 of those. So there's only 1 in the kit, but I had 2. Functional, half boxes, headers, little things, ombre, and then also your bottom washi, which is just a wood grain with the gold sparkle. And then you do also have the Munchkin head freebie in there as well. And again, this is called Anna, which is just a cute, like I said, winter celebratory kit. I just think it's really pretty. Or like I said, if you wanted to use it as a non-traditional Christmas kit, that would be a cute option as well. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit version. And if you want to see any of these in more detail, whenever we do list them, we do put up a second photo that has all of the pages laid out. So if you wanted to see a little bit more of what is inside, but that's just our normal mini kit format with the Munchkin head freebie. I don't think any of these actually have the old logo. No, so these are all updated. I do have some kits coming out in the future that do have the old logo just because they're anytime kits and they were done ahead of time. I think I have a couple left, but these ones all have the new logo. So that is the Ultimate kit and the Mini kit. And then we also do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is also an option if you want to add on the glitter headers with the faux gold sprinkle throughout. And then this is the Fashion Girls. I thought it'd be cute. I really like this Fashion Girl. It came out with a set, but I didn't, like, the set stuff didn't really go with this theme. So I thought putting her on, like, a record kind of made it, like, work with it being kind of, like, cozy at home. Like, putting on, like, a Christmas or, like, a winter, just, like, a pretty, like, record. And I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. So love that. And then you have the little label sampler there as well if you want to add that on as well. So that, again, is Anna. So, like I said, the rest of these are exclusive art. So let me go ahead and show you guys this one first. So this one is called I Love Me. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit. All of this week's kits do come in mini and ultimate. Like I mentioned last week, I think I'm pretty much always going to have mini and ultimate unless it is a mini kit exclusive. Then it'll just be a mini kit. But if there's an ultimate kit, there will be a mini kit. So this is called I Love Me, which is like kind of just like single girl, or just kind of like you love yourself. I could use this kit even though I'm married. I just think it's cute, you know what I mean? So I love the colors of this, a little bit on the warmer side. So you have the two girls here and like a really cute little, kind of even reminds me of a dorm, which I think is adorable. And then you have like the bath bombs, the balloons, a rose, a candle, just like a little card, candy, roses, a sweater, different kind of movies, a flat lay of a outfit, love songs, little cassette tape, single and slaying, which is super cute. I just wanted to like have a different option of something that's not like lovey-dovey Valentine's Day for those who just don't want to use lovey-dovey Valentine's Day kits, because I get it. So it's kind of like last year we did Galentine's, just super cute. That's still in the shop as well if you want another option for kind of like a non-like romantic kit for Valentine's Day. That one's up there as well. I did actually just update the site to have a theme, a shop by theme, and then also a shop by holiday, so you can look that up and see different options. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. The glitter headers do have a faux silver glitter sprinkled throughout. So let's go on to the next two. I'm kind of dying over both of them. I don't know which one to show you first, actually. Let's show you guys XOXO first, which we did a kit last year called XOXO, which was also kind of like our like kids Valentine's Day one. And I just think this is so cute. These colors are like fire, like absolute fire. And like everything about this is so cute. So like I said, it also does come in a mini kit. So this is the full box page. You have the girl here with the pink pastel hair. She's just so cute and just like shy and adorable. And I love the markers with the I love you. I just think it's so cute. And then you have like a little kitchen setup with like little Valentine's Day gifts, and this says baby, Bubba, and angel, which is just super cute. And then you have a bear, cupcakes, little cupid's wings and bow, a kissing booth, a little Valentine's Day box, and then some little candies there as well. And I just think this is so stinking cute. You have the faux silver sprinkle throughout. You have your munchkin head freebie, and I'm obsessed with these colors. Like obsessed with these colors. I think they are so pretty and so fun together and so like classic Valentine's Day. More of that there for full box. I'm just obsessed with this kit. You have cute little deco and your bottom washi. So that is XOXO Ultimate Kit, and like I said, it also does come in a mini kit, and I'm obsessed. This also does have marble accents throughout, so if you wanted to pull in marble multicolor, would look really good. I think I might have lightened this marble a little bit from marble multicolor just because I wanted it to just be ultra bright, but it'll still look good because it'll be the same tones. So that is XOXO. Let me go ahead and show you guys the a la carte items for this one. I kind of went a little heavy on this one. So you do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You do have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which have the silver sparkle throughout, we'll call it, the faux glitter. You do have the label sampler if you want to add that on, and then you do have family boxes. I opted for the Ginormo one because I love this as a tall girl. I loved these kids, and then also the little like baby butt, and then the hand, and then the outfit. I could not say no here. So you got lots of options, and I'm obsessed, like obsessed. This is fam one, so they're the same fams as normal. Whatever fam you normally get will be the fam that you get because they're the same numbers, 4, 5, and 6. So cute. I just die. It's so adorable. I love it so much. I love it so much. So that is XOXO, and just so you guys know, because I do get a lot of questions about this, I This is all of my custom artwork for Valentine's Day, but that doesn't mean I won't come out with more Valentine's Day kits. If artists put out Valentine's Day art, then I will like consider it to be used for the shop. But I don't know what they're putting out when they're putting out, so I won't know if I will have more Valentine's Day kits, when I'll have more Valentine's Day kits, but these are all of my exclusive art ones for this year. So this is called Netflix and Chill, which I feel like is going to be the top seller because I feel like it's epic. The colors are epic, the theme's epic, I feel like it's realistic. I feel like this one also could be kind of like a single girl, like you don't have to be in a romantic relationship based on these boxes. Like this is kind of just like, I'm staying at home and I'm having my Valentine's Day with my Netflix and my fast food or my ramen. So like literally obsessed with this kit, like beyond obsessed. Like I'm just like, a Valentine's Day I feel like it's just a killed it situation right now. So this is called Netflix and Chill and I'm obsessed. So you have the heart balloons, you have chocolate covered strawberries, different bath bombs here. This is Candace Chef's obviously, and I asked her for bath bombs and she gave me an eggplant bath bomb and I almost like spit out whatever I had in my mouth whenever I saw the art and was like dying, and I sent it to everyone I know. I was like, when you ask for a bath bomb and you don't specify and they send you an eggplant one, but it works because it's purple. You have the Netflix on the laptop, the little Let's Cuddle candle, super cute little scene here of the living room, a My Love on the Starbucks cup, the In-N-Out bag, which In-N-Out's not my favorite, but I just thought it was kind of like, it worked here. And then you have the girl here, which is super cute, just in her like loungy clothes, little pajama peeking through rose petals, the ramen with the egg that kind of looks like a heart, and then you also have another bath bomb there. Obsessed living for this kit, and I feel like I said, this is going to be the top selling Valentine's Day kit because it is epic. Epic, and we haven't done anything like this before. So you have the faux silver glitter again sprinkled throughout. Normally I'm like a gold person, so I don't know what was happening, but I think my whole entire like February is going to be silver kits. You have an extra box over here with a heart-shaped pizza, a different bath bomb, and another little pajama set, which I just thought so cute. And then you have the little things, the headers. You have the deck over here, which is adorable. Do you have anything different that I didn't put in the boxes? You have the cookie dough. I really wish I could have fit that in there. And then also the little wine bottles. Let me go ahead and zoom you in. So cute. So cute. I was trying to fit everything in, but sometimes it's impossible. You have the bottom washi. And then instead of the Munchkin Head freebie, I did do a tall box, which is a scene of a bath. Like, come on, people. This is like my favorite Valentine's Day kit ever. You think the kid like related one would be my favorite one, but I just feel like this one's perfect. And honestly, it doesn't even really read Valentine's Day when you're thinking about it. This could be anniversary. This could be just a me week. This could be anything. This is a good kit. I'm just saying. Then you have the mini kit, and then let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. You have the option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which come on, these are so cute. They remind me of Kirsten. Adorable. And then last but not least, you do have some couple options here. Let me show you guys those. So it's kind of just the back of their heads. Could be anyone. Could be you and your best friend even. Doesn't matter. Use your imagination, and if you want to kind of Frankenstein them, this one wouldn't be too hard to kind of cut the head off. So that is the fashion boxes. But that is everything for this week. Again, we have Anna, we have I Love Me, we have XOXO, and we have Netflix and Chill, along with the kind of Valentine's Day foil kind of theme here. We have our full boxes, headers, and then the little Valentine's Day bucket list. And last but not least, we have our wiggle this week, which is matte white and rose gold. So I hope you guys like this week's releases. I'm extra super hyped about them because I just have been waiting to release these Valentine's Day kits for so long. And this one's super cute as well with the custom scene. It came out really good. So hope you guys like it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!